Everybody is looking for the next big way to show commitment. Permanent jewelry is the hottest trend right now. Forget traditional rings. These pieces are welded onto you, symbolizing unbreakable commitment. It's the ultimate I do for those looking to take their relationship to the next level without the need for clasps. Imagine never having to worry about losing your ring again. These sleek, elegant pieces are low maintenance and perfect for couples who want to wear their love with pride. So, why is this bold style winning hearts across the globe? It's simple. Permanent jewelry is more than just a fashion statement. It's a declaration of lasting love. Plus, the bonding process itself is an unforgettable experience. Picture this, you and your partner side by side, getting your pieces welded together. It's intimate, meaningful, and oh so romantic. Join the trend that's redefining commitment. Say goodbye to traditional rings and hello to a love that's forever, just like your new favorite piece of jewelry. Ready to take the plunge? Discover the magic of permanent jewelry today.